Happy for you all. Sorry I can see you there. I just moved the camera for the recordings. So welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have Newcraftday. That's the new company that has been a little while. They have been contacting me. We got 3 diamond paintings. This is a product review promotion, a promotional review. Okay, and we have 2 cross stitch. Now, for the cross stitch, we can divide these in 2 videos, one for cross stitch and one for diamond painting. But the cross stitch are not that big. Let's do the cross stitch first. And then if we don't go more than 15-20 minutes, we can do the diamond painting, although I would rather have the diamond painting in a separate video. So let's see. Let me get this over here. So let's get started. Sorry for the glare. I'm trying to work on the lighting. I'm just wondering if nope, that's not the one. Let's see. Let me test all these lights. Hold on just a sec. I'm sorry, I'm gonna make you wait. Nope. So it's the big ring light. But I can soften it up. Let's see. Okay, that's good enough. That's softening it up. Okay, the first one is Peonies or Peonies, I don't know, for Needlewoman. I don't know if I had this one. This is a 32 by 32 square, 14 count free stamp. Okay, get that one out of the way. So let's take a look at this. This is the shiny gloss paper. So here it is. That's very pretty. That's very pretty. This one has 36 stitches, 3 French knots, and 3 back stitch. And you know what I'm going to do with the French knot? Put some bead on it. Okay, 16, 24, and 25. Let me see if I had those. 16, 24, and 25. Yeah, I probably had those colors on beads, on C beads. So here are the pages. I will do this one first, this one second, and then the last 2, 3 and 4. Because even though it doesn't show you the panels that is divided, you can use the pages as your guide, and you can do 1 page first. Okay, let's see. This is where the French knots goes. Here. And here, close you in. That's what it goes. That's where the French knot goes. And more over here. So you got quite a bit of French knots. And down here, yes, we have some down here. French knots, and we got some over here. So let's take a look at the fabric. We're gonna take a look at the thread. Oh, it's not that big. There's a lot of confetti, though. There's a lot of linear stitching. What I mean with that is you do the cross stitch in lines, you know. It's kind of a small blocking thing. I think it's the next best thing after blocking, because you can like on this case, you can just continue up, you know, or start from here and then come back here and come back up and finish up there. That's a trick that I will use. But the symbols are very clear. And these are bright colors. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like this. Here are the flowers with the center. Here you can see on the circles where the French knot goes, but I'm going to put bees on it. And I'm going to put the French knot. I think that beads makes it pop up better. I love these colors, man. This is so colorful. Of course, the color that you see over here is not the same as the thread that you're going to put, but this is very important that you can distinguish the symbols. Okay, so let's take a look at the threads. I gotta take that carton out because I just can't. We got the 2 needles from Joy Sunday, although it doesn't say Joy Sunday, but let's take a look at this thread. They're so beautiful. Take a look at these purples. Oh my God. All kinds of beautiful color. This is appropriate for the spring. It's a 32 by 32, so it should not take that long. Here is a reminder from 31 to 36. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh my God. I can't wait to do this one. Let's get this one inside since they're easy to do. Okay, let's go for the next one. The next one, I don't think I have it. So, the Flower of Happiness, number 4. This is a rose, 17 by 17. This is good for the snack size Wednesday. Let's see how many colors it has. That's only one page. Sorry for the glare. It's only have 12 colors and 2 backstitch. 13 colors in total because number 13 is for backstitch only. But that's neat. And most of them are going to be pink. And the greens for the leaf, of course. It's a 17 by 17, 67 stitches wide and 66 stitches high. That's pretty. That's gonna be a pretty. Here it is. A lot of, like I call it linear cross stitching, because you go in line, you go up and you go back down and you go up. Even though it's not in the block per se, they're so close to each one that is easy for you to do it. That's what I call it, like a linear cross stitching. The same thing goes around here. Okay? You can manipulate how you do. It's a little clusters of linear stitches. They're not blocked because they're not together. It's not a block. It's not a whole thing together, one to each other side, like over here. It's a little blocking here. But these ones are kind of a linear one. So you can go up and you can go down and you can jump. Okay? So here are, this is a 17 by 17, the flower of happiness. You get the two needles, and take a look at the colors. 1 through 13, 13 being the back stitch only, for back stitch only. Here they are. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this red. That's to give dimension to the flower. Look at these pinks. God, man, that flower is going to have dimension. So this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, folks, we are in the 12-minute marks. We're going to leave it over here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for returning. Subscriber, new subscriber, go ahead and browse my channel. I have different playlists for different craft. Whatever is it that you like, and is in your like, go ahead and do it. The next part is going to be the 3 diamond paintings. So again, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.